So guys, here I am going to set up my new PC setup in a new modern way. First I put up here the CPU. I will show you by moving the camera angle. I am now looking at its settings, that is it right or not. So here see, this is my Intel CPU. Here on the left upper side, Geo sticker is there. You could have seen that. And here I'm showing you the design of my Dell CPU, that is a Pentium based processor. It costed me around 20 to 30,000 when I was small. So here I placed my monitor. Now I will show you here. This was my Dell computer. I have no exchange parts. All the parts of the computer are of Dell, the original one. Also I pasted a Jew sticker on the right downside of the monitor. Then I put up the UPS. Here the Cyber Power company. Dell provided me this CPU. I have bought this not from online. This is from offline. Then keyboard and mouse. So here's my CPU setup for future works. So I will connect all the cables that are necessary for a computer to run. I connected the keyboard right now. I'm connecting with much problem because this is not an USB which can be connected in any side. Okay, so I have connected the mouse also. Here you can see the CPU port. Now I have connected so these are all the three cables that are necessary: the VG cable, the two power cables. Two power cables means one power cable for CPU and one power cable for the monitor, and another for the information transferring from CPU to monitor. That the VG cable. I've arranged it and set up it. I will not show you the opening of my computer, how it opens, because I have set a password. Thank you for watching the video.